Section 3, Chapter 3, Al-Wajata Nahul Al-Itam, duty towards orphans. Watul Yatama Amwalahum Wala Tatabadalu Ha Bitha Bet Tayabe Wala Takulu Amwalahum Ela Amwalikum Enahu Kana Uban Kabira Wabtalul Yatama Hata Idha Balangul Nekaha Fa'in Nastum Minhum Rushdan Fadfa'u Elayhim Amwalahum Wala Takuluha Isra. Oh, the text is too blurred there. Wabidaran an yakbaru amankana anian balyasta'afifun wamankana faqiran falyakulun bil ma'arufe fa'idha rafa'atumun ilayhim amwalahum fa'ashhiddu alayhim wa kafa billahi hasiba. And Israfan is the term that we had confusion on how to read it because of the smudge. So Surah 4, Ayat 2, give back to pubescent orphans their property. Do not substitute what is bad in yours for what is good in theirs. Do not consume their property together with your own. That were a great sin. And a lot of people may have issues till they're 30 or so or whatever, but as far as actually being accountable for yourself, puberty is supposed to be that point where you're there. Surah 4, Ayat 6, prove orphans when they reach a marriageable age. If you perceive that they are capable of contracting, then make over to them their property. Hasten not for this reason to squander it. The rich guardian should abstain from deducting a compensation from his ward's property, but he who is poor will make use of it within reason. When you make over to them their property, let witnesses receive their statement, but God suffices for taking an account. Ennaladina yakuluna amwalau yatama Golman Ennama Yakuluna fi butunihim naran wasiyas launa sa'ira wala takrabu balal yatima illa balati ya ahsanu hatta Yamluka Ashuddahu wa Aufu bil Ahde innal Ahda Kana Mas'ula. Surah 4, Ayat 10. Those who consume the property of orphans unjustly do but fill up their bellies with fire until they are consumed in hell. Fire and they're consumed in hell. Surah 17, Ayat 34. Touch not the wealth of the orphan, save to improve it, and solely before he comes of age, fulfill your compacts, for you will be called to account. And you leave the property of the orphan alone, except in a way which proves to be the best. If you can afford to take care, be a guardian without using any of it, it's best for you not to use any of it.